Next, when you click the Tap Me button, you need to display the number of times you clicked on each food item in the nutrition screen at the end. This number of times can be displayed with N1, N2, N3, N4 variables. Let's display these values as the text of the 5 labels that we have created on this screen. Let's add this code to the same place where we created the on-event Tap Me code block. A set text code block under UI controls is dragged here. Let's select the name of this label to give the text here as label 5. As the text of the label in N1, N2, N3, N4 variables, the values we have stored so far should be displayed in 4 lines along with the food item, given N1 plus pancakes. The value of N1 variable can be displayed in the word pancakes in front. But how to get the next food item to the next line? Let's type /n in front of the food item's name. Then the food item will be displayed in a new line. Here is the code for that. Adding N1 plus pancake/n, adding N2 plus eggs/n, adding N3 plus oranges/n, adding N4 plus milk/n as the codes needed to be prepared. A code block with the plus sign under math is dragged to the right by this equal sign. Let's type milk/n in inverted commas to the right side of the plus sign. Click math on the left side and drag a code with a plus sign. Since the value related to milk is in the 4th n variable, let's give 4n here. Drag a code block with the plus sign under math to the left side of the plus sign. From this addition sign, oranges/n is given in inverted commas to the right side and a code block with the addition sign is dragged to the left side in the math section. Let's give the corresponding variable for oranges as N3 to the right side of this plus sign. Click math again like before and drag a code block with the plus sign here. This addition sign is also given as egg/n in inverted commas to the right. Click math again on the left side and drag a code block with a plus sign. Since the corresponding value for egg is assigned in the N2 variable, let's type N2 here. Drag a code block with the plus sign under math to the left of this plus sign here. Get the rest of the food items here. Let's say pancake/n. Drag a code block with the plus sign in the math section to the left side of the plus sign. Since the corresponding value for pancake is assigned in N1 variable, let's give N1 here. There is a blank space to the left side of the plus sign. Here again, let's give it as /n. Okay, now there is a little left to do. When you click on the home screen or on the tiffin screen or the nutrition screen, you will go to the home screen and the values assigned in N1, N2, N3, N4 variables should be changed to 0. For that, I drag 4x equal code blocks under variables into the on event button home1 click code block. Let's give the name of this variable here as N1 and give 0 here. Next, the name of the variable in the code block is given as N2 and the value is given as 0. In this way, the next variable is given as N3 and 0 is typed here. In the last code block, the variable is changed to N4 and the value is set to 0. In the same way, let's drag 4x equal code blocks under variables into the on event button home 2-click code block that we created. Let's give N1, N2, N3, N4 as variables in these code blocks and set the values as 0. Now, let's click the Run button. First, the home screen will be displayed. Let's click on this Let's Make Tiffin button. The amount of nutrients that should be contained in our breakfast is displayed here on the requirement screen. Now, click on the Explore Food option button. When you move the mouse to each food item, the amount of nutrients contained in that food item will be displayed like this. I click once on pancake and twice on milk. You can also go back to the home screen by clicking on the home button, or you can click the Tap Me button and go to the nutrition screen. let's click the Tap Me button. Here, the selected food item will be displayed along with the quantity. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. Send your designs to me on WhatsApp to note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the design you made today. Check out this app to send to me as well as to send to your friends. And one more thing, join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. Stay tuned. See you with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.